Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is, how can I send an email to my instructor using Canvas? To do so, as you see on the left side of my screen under Dashboard, Courses, and Calendar, I have Inbox. So first I have to click on Inbox. Then when I click on Inbox, I should see this page. On the left side, I can see all my emails. If I want to reply to any of them, all I need to do is to click on the email here, and then I can see the text of email. So here my professor sent me an email. If I want to reply to it, here as you see at the right top side, I have some icons. The first one is compose a new message. So I can write a new message. Second one is reply to this email. The third one is reply all. So I can reply to all the people in this email. I can archive the email. I can delete it. So in this case, I want to reply to this email. I click on reply. And then I should see this box here. As you see, there is to my professor. You see the course above here and the subject. And then here I can write my reply. If you want to add a photo or file, an attachment to your reply. So if you click on this paperclip icon, that you can add a photo to this reply, or you can record an audio or video as a comment and reply as a video or audio. So if you click on it, so here you see your webcam and then you start record, or you can upload a media here. Either select an audio file that you have in your computer or a video file. So you can use text, attach a file or photo, or attach a media, record a media and reply to it as a video or audio file that you record. Then just push send and then you can reply to this email. But what if you want to just send a new message? Then in this case, when you are on inbox, you select this, compose a new message. You should select your course. In this case, I just select one of my courses. Here I select Anthro 111. And to whom. So if you click on this icon next to, you should see teachers and students. So students are your classmates. If I click on teacher, then I can click on my teacher name, give it a subject. So if I want to, for instance, ask a question about quiz number 2, and then I can write my email. And then, as I mentioned, add a photo or file to it, or attach a video file, record a video or audio file and attach to it. Thank you.